Hello and welcome everyone. Today is a special unboxing, and these are the Aukey EP-N5s, which are true wireless earbuds from Aukey. So today is just going to be an unboxing and hands-on, and over here we have the box. So the box itself is very plain. It's just a brown box. Like, come on, it's just a brown box. Like, at least it has a little bit of markings. It has the outline of the earbuds, which unmistakably do look like AirPods Pro, which actually I'll get into in a minute. In the full review, I'll tell you why. That's because these have noise canceling ANCs, so I'm not sure how these actually are gonna fare in my rigorous testing, but I hope to be able to fully review them in the next couple of weeks, so look out for that. But for now, it's just an unboxing, so let's get the box off. So this box is unremarkably plain, is the words I like to describe this box as. So this box is just it's just a brown box. Like, really, that's all I gotta say for it. I can't defend it at all. But this tape here, I can defend. It's pretty tough. I literally just tore off some of the box because I was fumbling with the tape. Yeah, fun stuff. The tape itself, I mean, it's not as hard as trying to get the box off. I literally spent 5 minutes trying to get that box off, but I finally got it. In a minute now, I'll get that box. There it is. Alright, so inside I have the pods. The pod that contain the pods. So it's the case that contains the earbuds. Or in any case, the AirPods clones. I'm just gonna call them earbuds because I don't want to steal Apple's branding. So I'm just gonna call them buds. So this is the pod. It's a nice, very nice paper wrapping. A bubble wrap. Thank you very much. I'm gonna put that over there. And very off the bat, you can tell that the case looks just like the AirPods. Very slim, very narrow. And I actually happen to like that type of case because it's like a little pill that's inside your pocket. It's very portable, very lightweight, and my overall impressions of it are that it's just really nice. So that's the case, and then I'm just putting on the earbuds right now. Ooh. That feels really nice. Alright, so the earbuds inside my ear feel really good, and they just snap in right like that. You just slip them right back, you drop them right back into the case. Very good. They come in with the extra small. Actually, no, I think that's the medium ear tips. I think these look like small ear tips. But I don't know. I think these are the medium ear tips. I'm not sure. I think they are. But those are the medium. I think those are the medium ear tips. So over there you see the little magnetic charging coil right there. So you just put your earbud right there, and it'll go ahead and charge, and it'll stay magnetically connected. And the case has a very satisfying clack. It's very satisfying. There you go. And so now that we unboxed the actual case, let's get on with the rest of the box. So in here we have a very nice USB-C cable. I think that's what it is. Let me go ahead and take this wrapper off. Yes, okay, so this is a USB-C to USB-A cable, most likely for charging because the case has a USB-C connector at the bottom for charging purposes. So I'm glad to see the universal connector, not some proprietary standard, which is great. Thank you very much. Very modern USB-C cable. So we got that out of the way. Let's figure out what else is in here. So I think this is the warranty information, some pamphlets. So let's go ahead and look at those pamphlets right now. So the pamphlets itself, they're very self-explanatory, and I think this is the warranty, by the way. Like, it's like a key for the warranty. Very nice design. I've never seen this. Maybe it's a sticker. I think it is a sticker. Wait, is it? I don't know. Okay, so that was pretty cool. But this is the pamphlet that shows me how to pair it. how to pair everything, the earbuds, and how to find the right tip for your ears. Obviously, this isn't some premium brand of earbuds. I got them for about $50 with a coupon that was applied at the checkout at Walmart, on Amazon. So these aren't exactly premium earbuds, but they do come with 3 tips. So the tips right now, as far as I can see them, I have to unbox those. But for now, I'm just gonna put those things to charge because it did not come full on arrival. Instead, I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox these tips. So this is small, and I think the large. So what did come on the earbuds was the medium tips. So the medium tips are what are inside the earbuds right now, and these are the small and the large ones. So I'm gonna have to test them out, see which one fits my ears best. I think it's gonna be the large ones because that's what I used on my JLab JBuds Air. But I don't know because these are completely different form factors. The JLabs have a Buds form factor, whereas these have a Pods form factor. So those are the tips. I'm glad they included multiple tips, by the way. I do wish I had like a little wing tip so they can farther go into your ear, but these will be fine. So those are all the tips, just all of them. Oh, I think I'm missing one. Wait, am I? I don't know. Alright, I'm just gonna test out one of the tips. I think this is the extra small tip. So let's give that a spin. Oh, and now we have the Buds in perspective. That's a 10 nanometer driver, by the way. Just looking at it, that is a 10 nanometer driver. So the sound should be pretty good. I haven't even connected them to my phone yet, so I have no idea. Also, a note to the viewers: this is a voice over the actual video. Unfortunately, some delays with production did make this video delayed, and back when I filmed it, I still had the Pixel 4a in for hands-on. So in this video, you might see the Pixel 4a. I do not have it anymore. Sorry about that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put on these tips. Unlike the AirPods Pro, and unlike actually a lot of earbuds, these are really hard to put tips and swap tips. The AirPods Pro have a little magnetic tip thing, so that you can just take them out, snap them on, snap them out. Very simple, very easy. This is pretty much the opposite of that, but I did get it, and I think it's not that good. The tips that I'm wearing right now, actually, I don't know. I feel like my ear it's been so used to the JBuds form factor that I just can't get used to it. So I don't know, maybe that's just me. Hopefully that's just me. I really hope I can just adjust to that later. These are the extra small. I have to get them on. So the form factor that you have, it's very important that you choose the right tips, because just like the AirPods Pro, tips make a difference when you're trying to do active noise cancellation. They really do. It's extremely important that you do this. So the tips, and so those tips are back. So the tips system, as I just said, is really important. So with that being said, I think I'm just gonna clear out all this and take a look at the actual earbud. So as you can see, that I finally found the perfect tip. I cut away to when I finally found the perfect tip. I think it's the perfect tip. Yeah. So the tips really were hard to get off. They were super hard to get off. Like, just cumbersome, to say the least. So these are the Aukey EP-N5s. They promise great sound and active noise cancellation, which is not something you see every day with earbuds. And I can't wait to just start testing that, because I wear earbuds every day for almost every hour in the day, especially on a regular day. Most days I don't actually wear them all the time, but some days I will. And listening to podcasts all the time, battery life is a big concern. I mean, the case looks pretty good, very thin, much thinner than my JLabs case. and I can't wait to compare those head to head. So, with that being said, this has been the Aukey EP-N5 unboxing and hands-on. I'm gonna go ahead and pair these up, and hopefully I'll have a full review coming sometime in the next week. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it like that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. This is BenTechCode, signing off.